So I just got a new Cricut Maker 3 and I have literally been trying to Cricut anything I can find. It's been such a journey and I am definitely a very new beginner. But as I learn, I want to pay it forward and show you guys what I'm learning along the way and open up the comments to any tips or things that you've learned or ways that I can make it better. So let's get started. So the first thing I've learned about the Cricut, first of all, not only its cool, sleek design, but it has smart functionality. So that just means a lot of the smart products that you'll see on the shelves, it'll say smart vinyl, smart whatever. That just means that you can now feed it through here and it will just start cutting without needing a mat first. I guess in previous designs you needed a mat, and still with this one, like if you're cutting wood, which is a new feature, or metal or things like that, you do still need, or foil, and other things, you'll still need a mat. So if it doesn't say smart on the outside, you will need to put it on a mat and feed it through. But I've been having so much fun cutting out vinyl pieces with the smart feature. And that is my first thing I learned.